Good to be back with Charlie. It's a good to be back with you guys. Hey! Dead man walking, dead man walking. Friendly! Friendly!
Where's Pat? Stand down at this end.
Where's he at?
On the wall, right side.
In the small room?
Move on!
I want out of here. Go! What building is that?
How many is in there?
Can you see? Close it up. We can go around this way. We can go right here. Ready? Well, anybody know what that building is directly across from us? Where's the respawn? Do you have any of those guys?
No.
How many ones are in there, G?
There was 2 in that room.
Yeah, I got one. You shot one lot white.
Hey, we'll go up there and cover all.
Yeah, you'll go cover me. I'll take 2 or 3 and I'll run across.
I only see one. Yeah, he's gone. Hey, G.
What?
Greg.
Yeah.
Got 2.
Rifles or pistols?
Rifles. We need them upstairs.
These women are showing you up, guys.
Hey, they're about to run across. They need cover fire, run across.
Come on.
Hey.
Are you on combs?
Yeah.
Yes.
Channel 14.
14.
Okay. Give me a frosty go when you want us to run.
All right, what building we covering, Jason?
I'm going straight across.
Straight across.
We'll go
Got
to
it.
the other side. Straight across. Yeah, go straight across.
Dan coming up. Dan. Dan coming up.
And in.
Hey, coming up.
310.
Which side? Hey, he needs cover on this side, right?
Yeah.
This cover? Hey, which building is he going to? Jason, which building is he going to? All right, everybody get a window. Watch yourself. Yeah, you're here.
Go ahead, Ashley. Second floor.
All right, Frosty go. Frosty go, guys. Frosty go. Wait. Right.
Repeat again. Which building are you traveling to?
The guy that with the black beard, he's one that was just right below.
Okay, the small center building, gotcha.
Got it. Everybody on cafeteria.
Hey, Greg, keep going the other room. All right, let's go. All right, hey, Harvey. Hey. Where you at again?
Well, that's their spawn. Oh, no, it's like, see, that's their spawn? Yeah. That's one of them.
Okay,
Hey, you're out, Jason. It didn't read. Hey, that's green. Everybody stay on this group in the middle. As soon as they come in, they're hot. What do we got to do to get the spawn point? Hey, y'all ready? What do we got to do to get it?
Just turn over and stand it up. It's laid down, we need to stand it up.
Hey, you cover us.
You got it.
Jason, Greg, let's go flip that cone.
Hey, you know where your squad leader is?
We're about
There's a
to.
squad leader in here.
Yeah, just a bunch of hard asses.
What the hell is that? Yeah, because we have this right here, we have no idea what it is.
Okay.
Hold on to it.
Come on.
Down with something.
Tan. Downstairs, about to go flip this cone. Jason, I'm gonna go towards the cafeteria. All right, you got me?
All right.
3,
2, 1, go.
Tan! Tan! Friendly!